start.
Let's go.
Is my outfit. Hi you guys, I'm so happy you're here. My name is Riya and welcome back to my channel. It is Diwali season. I literally am so excited for all the content, for all the fun vibes, everything. Diwali is mine and my family's favorite festival of the year. We always go all out, and one of the things we do best is decorate our home. And it's not just decorated for those few days, it is decorated the entire month. We do literally like a whole planning, we discuss what we want to do, we go all out basically. I'm not really having a Diwali party this year. If you're an OG, you know that I've hosted a few Diwali parties. I'm not doing it anymore because I feel like the last few times my house got a little wrecked. One of my tables broke. Not during the party, but like before the party, we would like move out furniture and the glass fell off the table and it broke. So it caused some permanent damage. Also, my mom is a clean freak. So the day after the party, she is literally sanitizing my whole house. Actually, not the day after, like 3 days after the party, she is sanitizing my entire house. But obviously I have to host a little something, so I'm hosting like a very chill game night. We don't really gamble or like play tash, but we're gonna play games and chill, and it's just gonna be me and my friends, and it's gonna be a good time. This is literally my favorite time of the year, and yeah, let me take you along. Come, let's go. Pretty. There were so many more, yaar.
We just chucked it over.
We left it in the studio.
What?
Smelling like something.
What else is left? Don't put blue anywhere, no?
Not blue. Isn't this pink?
This pink is nice. This pink, just remove, let me see.
No, yeah. We have a bag of diyas and Diwali, as my mom says, stuff. Very pretty thing.
In the south, we say Deepavali.
Even this is nice for diyas. How many are there? Why is it 3 and not 4? Isn't that weird? Wow. अभी ये दोनों साइड पे डालेंगे. As you saw, we have come to the market to buy some flowers, and someone just hit the car. Bro, it's so hectic. Like, it is so crowded. It's so hectic out here. My mom comes and she's still saying that this is like the worst she's seen it in a long time. I think it's because of Diwali only. I want to vlog, but I am so scared to take my camera out. Like, I feel like someone's just gonna whack it from my hand and it's gonna break. Like, first of all, this camera is so delicate, and then on top of that, I'm just scared to remove it. But let me show you what we've got until now. We are gonna go get more stuff. Flowers, we got this laddy of like pink, white and green flowers. And this is the old one we got for sample. But yeah, pretty. I'm surrounded by literally every side by this. These are the ones we're taking. It's quite nice actually. It's very hard to choose here, honestly. This is everything we got. Obviously pink and white theme. This is the only like dark pink we got. I don't know. Yeah? Like it pops a little bit. Everything is very mellow.
This goes in this other side, and then this flowers.
No, the one you're holding now.
Yeah.
Put that in the corner.
This one?
No, this.
Yeah.
And put this in this one.
Correct.
है ना? Like if you put it in that U shape that we put it in.
Yes.
And this thing is just hanging in the center.
Center.
It look cute.
Yeah, this will look very cute.
Hello.
Hello.
Stay. Welcome to the.
Welcome to my house.
Oh, okay. Nice decoration, Kanchi. Nice outfit. Look at Kanchi's earrings. What the hell? It's so cool.
Yeah, you made it
I'm
on
obsessed
time.
with
You made
it.
it on time.
Thank God. For the first time, I'm on time. I just waited for more people to vlog along. Fair enough. Hi vlog. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy. Are you not charged? Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali.
9.
Ow, faster. Ow, 7.
I don't think she did. Yeah.
She was in the mafia.
She's
She
dead.
would point the finger at somebody else. You can't defend that I'm not it.
Pilot, you say if she's drunk or not,
I-
first of
I
all.
agree with you that I think
But
it's
it's not
her.
how I feel.
But she said it was Jigar first.
I feel it's you
So
though.
are you confident?
I think it's Sahil. Sash is you, Malav and Sahil.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
Do you think it's her?
Huh? Never. She would not.
It's the end of the night. It was quite fun. It was very chill, very low-key. I feel like I always love doing something for Diwali where everyone can just come together and be and, you know, just do fun stuff. I just wanted to host something like fun and low-key for my close friends. So yeah, it was good. Anyway, I am going to talk to you tomorrow morning. Maybe not tomorrow morning, maybe like Diwali morning. I don't know, whenever we do like the next Diwali thing, because this is the Diwali vlog obviously. Yeah. Okay. Hello, I am ready for the Shabka Diwali Puja. It's the next day after the Diwali scene, by the way. I just need to put on some earrings because it's looking so plain without earrings. By the way, this green kurta is literally my new favorite kurta in my wardrobe. Like, I want to live in it. Every time I have to wear Indian, this is what I feel like removing. I love it. Guys, we are at my dad's shop. I mean, he's been here all day. I've just come. But we are going to do the Diwali Puja here. It's actually Dhanteras, so it's a very good day to do it. He tried to do it today, so he doesn't have to open the shop for the next few days, but it's fine. It's a good day to do it on Dhanteras.
Happy Dhanteras.
Let's do the puja.
फिर उधर उसके बाद में वो नाकों पर आना है.
Hi.
You have a message for my subscribers?
Be happy.
We are at Diwali lunch, family Diwali lunch. But it's very low key. It's not Diwali yet, it's Choti Diwali, but like whatever. We got coffee. Say hi. Sup. What happened?
She's like, why are you vlogging? Her drink is not
I'll vlog again when your drink comes. Don't worry. Here, you take this drink.
You can edit it together also.
Try it, Nani. Nice. Hash brown nachos you've already eaten. Another hash brown.
Show my coffee.
I showed your coffee already. Nani, your drink came. I forgot now to eat My dad vlogging was so funny, na?
Oh, guy, he just wants to get all the content.
I think he did a good job. Even yesterday I made him vlog. He's getting the hang of it. This was actually not like great.
It is just stir it around. That sugar syrup has got stuck at the bottom.
Sup? What's up? I'm trying to think what to do. I don't know what to do. Should I do that triangle thing, like the line of it? That might be pretty now.
You can, yeah.
Okay. Cool. We'll show you the finished piece.
Bye.
Bye. I love how it looks. Who is bursting fatakas? Idiots. Even when I was a kid, I used to do. And I grew up and I understood the consequences and I learned. And I hope these kids also understand someday. Guys, this is the finished rangoli. I feel like it's looking very pretty. Obviously, it'll look better in the evening when the diyas are lit, but it looks so cute and like simple. On Diwali day, I'll make it extra, like more extra. But this looks nice, huh? Emergency is happening. This outfit has not worked out at all, and now the knot at the back of my blouse is like not opening because it's a double knot, and that rassi is gonna rip, and Som is trying to safety pin it and tie it and conceal the safety pin, and
You're distracting me.
sorry. Oh my god, everyone is so similar.
Wishing you guys a very happy Diwali and a prosperous New Year.
I'm eating that slice. It's my first drink.
Do.
Is
this your first drink?
Yes.
So then say this is my
This is
first
my
drink.
first drink, but this is my only drink also.
No.
And
Say again. So what do you want to say?
No, thank
say
you.
this is my whatever drink. Which drink
Apologize. What drink number is this?
This is my second drink.
Guys,
Need help? Call doctor.
plugging himself.
Come on, man. Don't plug. It's not talking about it.
Look happy about being on the vlog.
I'm super happy. Diwali party. Let's go.
Let's go! It's time to wear your sarees. So put on your sarees. It's time to celebrate the yeah.
Oh yeah, all are very bad.
Pointing to me.
Let's try later. Yeah. You can give it. Yeah, otherwise standing.
I'm so sorry.
Nice haircut, Katie.
Let Mala say first. Guys, come closer.
Okay, what, bro? Okay. Are they acting travel to shorter time? 6. 5. Give it to her, bro, please.
Hi, good morning. I'm ready. Look at my outfit, so cute. I've actually worn this before. I've worn everything before because I didn't prep any outfits for the Bali this time. I'll explain everything. But yeah, this is my outfit. I really like how it's looking. I actually really like my hair also. It is okay now after I think 5 tries. I've tied it literally, actually even more than 5 times. I don't even know. But I'm going for lunch for Diwali. It's Diwali day 1, as you know. Plans have changed. House puja is happening today, not tomorrow. Let's see. I don't know. I'll come back from lunch and we'll see how things go. I'm not going to carry my vlog camera because I think this lunch I'm just going to chill. But I will see you when I'm back. Okay, bye. Happy Diwali! Guys, it's evening. I've changed into yet another Indian outfit. It's very chill. I'm just wearing like a Lucknowi kurti. It's not like anything crazy. And I am going to set up the thali for the aarti because that's what we're doing today, which we were supposed to do tomorrow. But you know, it's complicated. I'm gonna redo the rangoli for today for like Diwali night. And I am also gonna show you around the house and show you how the final decor and everything is looking, even though the house is a mess because a lot of Diwali gifts are coming in and out, so it's a little hectic. Ignore the mess. I promise we did Diwali cleaning, it just is not showing at the moment, but I just want to show you like all the decor and all, and let's prep for aarti. Oh wait, by the way, before all of that, we're gonna make coffee because it's 6 PM. I've slept for barely a few hours. I'm so sleep deprived, so let's make coffee and then we'll do all this. Oh, it's actually very unusual for me to have coffee at 6 PM. You gotta do what you gotta do. Cheers! That is the aarti corner. And obviously this wall is iconic. I think everyone knows about this. And then there is this whole setup, which is so pretty. My favorite part of the entire house is this. It is literally just stunning. It looks so good. Wow. Hey, let's do this. I actually don't have any inspo. Should I look at Pinterest or should I just go with what my heart is telling me to do? That is everything. That is our inspo. Let's do this. Progress is being made, I think.
कैसे बनेगी? इसको ऐसे बनेगी.
I'm lighting the diyas for the rangoli. It's not bad. I quite like it, honestly. Can you do this?
Yeah.
How's it looking?
Mid.
Huh?
Mid? No.
I wish the flooring was a little more. Football in the middle of our aartis.
In between the two aartis.
Yeah, literally. Half time. What's up, guys? It is Tuesday afternoon. I'm wrecked. Like, I'm so tired. My family and I slept at like 3 AM, I think, and then Today we went for another family lunch for Diwali, and tonight I think we're going for another Diwali dinner. We're going for another Diwali dinner with our family friends, and I think tomorrow again we have a Diwali lunch. That's crazy, right? I feel like I need a nap. I need like a big fat nap. Like right now, even a coffee cannot help me. It is officially Thursday. We've put all our Indian clothes back into the closet, and we've gone for our last family lunch of the season. We ate so much, and this is the first event we didn't wear Indian clothes to in like a while. Yeah, back to normal life, back to working from tomorrow. Kanchana and I have a shoot for a brand. I'm actually dreading going back to work this time. I don't know why I'm not ready. I'm just like in chill mode. I'm feeling so happy, so grateful, so blessed to be surrounded with so many lovely friends, so much family, so much love, and this season was honestly so fun. I hope you enjoyed celebrating with me in this vlog. I also hope you had a great Diwali, and whether you were at home, away from home, I hope you were able to celebrate just a little bit at least. And that's it. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I actually have nothing else to say. I've spoken so much, but like, comment, share, subscribe, comment down below and wish me happy Diwali, and I will see you next week. Bye.